Hey there. I've been curious about Alberta's economy lately. Do you have any idea about the major industries there?
Absolutely. Alberta's economy is quite diverse, but there are some major industries that really drive the province's economic growth. One of the most significant industries is energy.
Energy, huh? I've heard about Alberta's oil sands. Is that the primary contributor?
Yes, you're absolutely right. The oil and gas sector, including the extraction of oil sands, plays a crucial role in Alberta's economy. It's often considered the backbone of the province's wealth and prosperity. The province is home to vast reserves of oil and natural gas, and companies from around the world are involved in the exploration and production of these resources.
That makes sense, given the prominence of fossil fuels globally. But are there any other major energy-related industries in Alberta?
Definitely. Alberta is also a leader in renewable energy. The province has been making significant strides in wind, solar, and hydroelectric power generation. As concerns about climate change grow, there's a strong push to diversify the energy sector and reduce greenhouse gas emissions.
That's interesting. It's good to see a balance between fossil fuels and renewable energy. What else drives Alberta's economy?
Agriculture is another vital industry in Alberta. The province has a vast expanse of fertile land, which makes it a major contributor to Canada's agricultural production. Alberta is known for its beef production, but it also produces a wide variety of crops, including wheat, barley, canola, and more.
Agriculture is crucial for food security, so it's great that Alberta plays such a significant role. Are there any other industries I should know about?
Absolutely. Alberta has a thriving technology sector. Cities like Calgary and Edmonton have become hubs for tech startups and innovation. This industry is growing rapidly and is diversifying the province's economy beyond its traditional sectors.
Tech is the future, so it's excellent to hear that Alberta is embracing it. What about manufacturing?
Manufacturing is indeed a significant part of Alberta's economy. The province produces a wide range of products, including machinery, chemicals, food products, and more. The manufacturing sector benefits from Alberta's strategic location and access to key markets in North America.
It sounds like Alberta's economy is quite diversified, with energy, agriculture, technology, and manufacturing all playing important roles. Are there any other notable industries?
Tourism is also worth mentioning. Alberta's stunning natural landscapes, including the Rocky Mountains, draw visitors from all over the world. Tourism contributes significantly to the province's economy, with outdoor activities like skiing, hiking, and wildlife viewing being major attractions.
I've always wanted to visit the Rockies. It's great to know that tourism is thriving. Are there any challenges or issues facing these industries in Alberta?
There are a few challenges. The energy sector, while a major contributor, is susceptible to fluctuations in global oil prices, which can impact the province's economy. Additionally, the push for renewable energy has caused some tension within the province.
That makes sense. Energy can be a volatile industry. What about agriculture and manufacturing?
Agriculture faces challenges related to climate change, water availability, and market volatility. As for manufacturing, it can be impacted by global trade issues and economic downturns. However, Alberta's diversified economy helps mitigate some of these challenges.
It sounds like Alberta is resilient despite these challenges. Thanks for sharing all this information. I have a much better understanding of the province's major industries now.
You're welcome. Alberta's economy is indeed diverse and interesting. If you ever plan to visit or invest in the province, this knowledge might come in handy. Is there anything else you'd like to know about Alberta?